Hey everyone, it's Megan Galata with Keller Williams Realty. Real estate is a great way to invest your money. There are many opportunities within the real estate world, whether you're buying for the short term or the long term. Today's focus is going to be on buying for long-term investments. So why invest in real estate? Simply put, the rate of return, the tax advantages, and to build your wealth. When you plan to invest for the long term or buy and hold, you're minimizing your risk. Real estate values will always increase over time. The longer you hold, the more money you're gonna make. Even with the crash in 2008, home values are now higher than they were pre-crash. The housing market has always recovered from previous bubbles. Not to mention, the tax benefits from owning a home or investment property are huge. You can get tax deductions on mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, cash flow from investments, operating expenses, and some other items as well. Now that you're convinced, here's some ideas on what to buy. The beauty is that you can start anywhere. If you're just getting started investing, you may or may not have a huge chunk of change to put down on a duplex or something larger. If that's the case for you, I'd suggest starting with a single-family home. There are a couple of options here. You could stick with the traditional single-family home and maybe rent out some of the other rooms in the house. This will help you with the mortgage and also help you to save up a down payment quicker for your next investment. Once you're ready to buy the next one, you can rent the full house out, and a portion of the rents can actually be used to help you qualify for the next place. The beauty of single-family homes is there are always renters for them, and they appreciate well. Or you could go the ADU route. With the new ADU laws effective January 2020, you have the ability to build an additional unit on the property and a junior unit. The cost to build is cheaper than the cost to purchase. This would allow you to live in any one of the 3 units and rent out the other 2. And because you will be occupying the property, you will have the ability to put a lower down payment down. Either way would be a really great place to start building your wealth. Whether the economy is strong, driving home prices up, or the economy is weak and driving more people to rent, your investment is winning in one way or another. Another option is multifamily housing. Now, if you've got a little extra cash, multifamily housing might be the route for you. This could be a duplex, triplex, or maybe something a little larger. The benefit to owning and leasing a multifamily over owning and leasing out a single unit is that you'll have the money from the other rented units to offset any vacancies or unexpected repairs. If you would like to talk more in depth on about how long-term investments can work for you specifically, or if you want to sit down and crunch some numbers, shoot me an email or a text and let's get the process rolling. Thanks for tuning in to this week's tip. I'll see you guys next week.